All right, it's what is it? It's Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. All right, Dan and I are here at Biosphere 2. This is where we get to work today. I'm flipping out here. So this is the south side of the what would have been the intensive agriculture biome. This is a loading dock that would have been sealed. This is the blower we're putting in. This helps actuate the waves, as I understand it. It's a large Hoffman blower. Here we are in the airlock going in. And this is the what would have been what's referred to as the technosphere. And this door would have been attached right there in that hole. It's hard to see, but there's a pretty big slope here. Ocean plenum. There's a chiller down here into this hallway. Wave blower room, that's where we're working. We're replacing this blower right here. And right up there is the marsh maybe. Very exciting.